Google Classroom video, and I said I was going to do a part 2. So guys, first I'm going to connect my AirPods to my dad's here so it's easier for me. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on Got It. So guys, this is your main Google Classroom page. This is where you keep all your classes. So you remember when I made my class. So let's just go here. And now, I've already mentioned the stream, but there's one very important setting. So if you're ever going to make an assignment on the classwork right here, yeah, I'm just going to delete this. I exactly do not know why I have this. Maybe I made it on another video. But anyway, so I'm going to delete it. Okay, so what I want to show you all is now the Google Classroom page. But before we do that, the classwork, there's one important setting. Go up to the gear icon of settings. Now, not the settings of Chrome, anything. What you want to do is go to the Google Classroom settings. And I'm going to disconnect these AirPods. No, thank you. A bit of a change of plan here. But what I want to mention is one important rule. If you scroll down right here, where it says stream, now, so you're going to see this normally. So what you should do is set this to home. And the reason is if you ever make an announcement, this is your choice. The assignment will normally show up right here on the stream and in the classwork. Here, for me, I just want on the stream my announcements. I only want my classwork on the classwork, my stream on the stream. Kinda. I do not know. Lazy. Now, here's another setting. So here, this is your choice. So, do you want your students in post and comment? Or do you only want that they can comment? Or only teachers can post and comment? And co-teachers? For me, I changed my mind. And the reason is I do not want like kids cluttering up the stream page. So actually, I'm going to switch it right here. And they can only comment. So, which means they can add things right here, but not up here. Only the teachers can, like me. But now that we got one of the most important things done, let's go into the classwork. So, how do you use the classwork page? And this is actually quite easy. So, what you're going to see on the top left is this blue Create button. And this blue Create button is actually going to let you make your very own class. Great. So, well, not class, I mean your assignment. So what do you have? Assignment, quiz assignment, you can add a question, a material, or a reuse post, and a topic. So, this is one that some people kind of get confused about. So, if you made another Google Classroom, this is just going to be an example. So, what if you have more than one? So, what I'm going to do right here is really quickly, I'm going to show you one thing here. So, I'm just going to and I want to assign this. watch my other class. And I go to classwork. I'm going to click on create and click on reuse post. Now, here's my other class. I can click on this, and here's that assignment that I made. And just like that, you can reuse the post. Everything normal. And it thinks it's an assignment, and it is. And the true thing is, right here, I'm just going to delete this. And on this A class, I'm going to click on the 3 dots. And even if you archive the class, you can still reuse the posts. But for me, I'm going to delete them. Now I'm going to go back to my class. Oops. Don't tell me. I didn't even have anything on that class anyways. Crap. Oh, It doesn't matter here. I guess I just wasn't paying very good attention here. Yay, how exciting was that? Not exciting at all. So I'm going to really quickly make a class here. And we're just going to continue on from there. Okay, so I made the class. That was close. I thought I deleted it forever. Lucas Google Classroom YouTube. Alright, so you guys already know the drill. Hide. Students can only comment. Okay. And welcome to my Google Classroom. Good. Everything, I think it's back to normal. Apart from this. You guys already know how to do this, so I do not really kind of need to teach it to you guys again. But I'm going to really quickly show you how to do it if you guys missed the part 1. So what you're going to do is select or upload. So I could upload an image right here, right from my computer, and things like that. For example, this iPad. I can open that, and yeah. Now what from the iPad do I want? I could just say, I'm interested in home buttons. So I'll get the bottom of the iPad. And only that. Now that is ugly, so. This looks 100% just like my old class right here. And matter of fact, I do not know why the color changed. Right. So, apart from the class code, now let's talk about the classwork. You have a few things. So you have a few things. 1 is topic, 2 is reuse post that I showed you, 3 is material, 4 is question, 5 is quiz assignment, and 6 is an assignment. So I'd better start with a topic. So what a topic is that it organizes each class. And we'll talk about more about that. So what can I make a topic of? Well, remember, this is just for fun. So I'm gonna do fun games. Why not? So once I click on the add button, it's gonna make this fun games. Now, I'm gonna go to a different account and join this class. And the easiest way to do that is by copying this code. Back to Google Classroom, go to the accounts right here. Or maybe I'll go to some other account here and switch it from my school to this one. Like I said, you can make multiple classes. Good grief. Now I'm just going to put in this class code. So this is what I copied just a minute ago on Chrome. This number, that thing is going in there. Join. So I just joined this class. It's showing me this new feature. I got it. And this person will always be in the class. So I'm going to be switching between tabs here. So now if I go into people on this side, and I actually will refresh it, I'm going to have a student in my class. There. So this is actually a different account that I made. And another way to add students is by sending them an email. But remember, the easiest way is to do it by the stream. Now, I have classwork here and I have fun games. But if I swap here, I do not have fun games here. And it will only show up if I post something there. And what I said about posting and commenting, remember, I cannot post up here. Down here I can. And no class code and some things are missing. So where did it go? It actually didn't go anywhere. We still have it. Because you need to add things to it. So, what is fun? I exactly know what's fun. I know one thing that I love. And I bet you guys know what it is. Or maybe you don't. Come on, let's have some fun by playing the video game. Come on, join in, play ahead. It's okay if you guys do not like this game. Now, I want to add the link for Roblox. Now, I'm going to assign this. Now, normally you would put a topic, and I'm going to put in fun games in just a bit. Make an account. Have fun on Roblox. So now I'm going to assign it and not add anything to it. Back here, still nothing. A refresh. Still nothing. I only got the assignment. Only the assignment. But where's that topic? We forgot to add it. So what we're going to do is click on these 3 dots and click on edit. And it's going to bring us 100,000% to that same page we were, except the save. And just schedule it. So click on no topic and we're going to click on fun games. Now save it back. it went into the fun games topic. Ah, there we go. So you have to have an assignment inside a topic so the topic shows up on the other end. So there you go. Now, I'm going to show you guys. If I go back to stream here, I guess we're done right there. Now, I'm going to move back to another page here, and this is the main page. You guys can make as many Google Classrooms as you guys would like. And guys, do not forget that because that's actually quite important. But now I didn't explain everything about the classwork. Let's keep going. So first, let's finish the assignment. So I'm going to edit this assignment actually and show you everything it can do. So first, let's take a look at the top save. After that, I can also dismiss Grammarly right here, and I'm all up to date. Here is your title, and here is your description. You can add here from your Google Drive a YouTube link, so this is my channel, and actually since I did something about Roblox, why don't I add color or dye? You see, Lucas the Tech Fixer, 15 views, 2 likes last month. So I want to add that. You can also create something like a docs, a slides, and I want to get into that. Upload something from your computer, all cloud-based, and a link. Next is all students. So here, I got mixed up for a second. You can choose which students. Here is your points. So since this is kind of like a game, I'm going to give it ungraded. But in my opinion, since this is actually kind of a game and not actually an assignment, what I'd recommend doing is making this a material. So you can go to all topics and click on the topics. And also on this end, I'm gonna delete this. And the reason is because I'd recommend we do it another way. Next is a material. This is where we're gonna add it. I went fast and I hope I typed that in correctly. I'm sorry if I didn't spell it incorrectly because I did kind of do it in a rush. And where's my Roblox one? Color or dye? Well, whatever. This is odd. To YouTube Shorts, short, another short. To video. And as you guys can see, this is actually kind of different because it's actually, oh great, I deleted the topic. Fun games. And this is actually, I'm also going to add a link. and you guys already know what this link is for. It's for Roblox. And now I also have this. Play some games. Play Roblox. Come on. Play Color or Die. So, as you guys can see, already I have lots of grammar mistakes. Glad I have Grammarly. And this is the same as the stream, so I'm going to post it now. And since this is a material, I do not need to add points. This is just for fun, and this is not needed. There's no due date or anything. Now, if I'm actually going to make an assignment, this is 100% the same thing, just adding a few things. So this is the same. There's just one thing, no points. And I do not remember seeing anything of a due date or a rubric. And you guys can do the same here, and you guys can also grade it, which is actually something fun. So, to grade, you go into grade. I wouldn't be surprised. And I would need to create an assignment. Alright, so how would you do that? You would go to create an assignment. So I'm going to force my people to play Roblox. You must play or else you are out of this classroom. You're on. I'm strict. I'm joking. Remember guys, this is a fake Google Classroom. I'm not actually that strict. Until I'm not trying to be strict. I hope I do not go too fast. That is actually graded, so you see 100 points. And I do not think I need it to be that much. And it has to be done, or else I'm fired. You can also drag these into topics. Or at least you used to. I wish they brought it back. I guess you can't drag it back in. Let me try here. Yeah, I can't. Okay, it doesn't matter. No one ever looks back at it anyway. So now I'm going to go to this class right here. And now look. This is not due. But guess what? Since this is blue, it is due. And I'm going to say, okay, I played the game. I did it. Good job. I'm going to mark it as done. And done. Now on this end, it's going to be all grayed out. Now on my end, the teacher's end, you can go to grade. Here, they did a good job. So they're going to get a grade out of 10. And then from here, you can do more things here. Like finish your things up here with your students. Of course, they're doing a great job. So of course they get a 10 out of 10. Okay here. So I'm going to go back to grade. You see, I gave them 10 points. It already automatically saved. So I guess that's how that works. So we're going to leave this here. What else do we have here? This is called the material, which we did. Question, this will actually make a blank thing here, just like the assignment. And now you can ask a question. So, what is your favorite Roblox game? And you guys know it. I don't care. Whatever. At least it got assigned. Oh, and it's due. Now, on this end, it's not material after all. This is actually a question. So I'm going to go here. And what is your favorite Roblox game? So what you're going to do here is your assignment. And here's actually what you're going to type. Color or dye? So now I'm turning that in. Now on my end, you guys know what I can do. I can see I did everything. Good job, Lucas. Or other Lucas, I could say. And now, what is your favorite game? Oh, one person turned it in. You click on that and you'll see their answer. Oh, they like color or dye. Good job. And just like that, you can return it back. On this end, good job, you finished. And it's been graded. You see? So guys, that is what that is. Next stop, talking of other things, we are going to go back here to Google Classroom. What is a quiz? So it's going to automatically make you a blank Google form. So now I can make another topic here. Why did you join this class? Who are you? Open this quiz right here and give it a name. So now here, you guys, I'm going to make a separate video of Google Forms. Name. Remember, I want to make a separate video on this. And then once you're done making your Google form, you guys are going to do Command W or Control W to get back. And you guys can assign it. And guess what? This is a new topic. Now, it's right here. On this end, I can go here. Wait, why do I have a new assignment? Oh, yes. So you go to View Assignment here, and you're actually going to open this. Now you can fill this out here. It's me. And I'm actually going to submit this. View. Wow, I did it correctly. Now you can just mark it as done. Oh, and one thing to keep in mind of. Every single time that you're making something like this, it's actually kind of going to get all fluttered up here. So what I mean is it's going to flutter up your drive. Click on this little drive symbol right here. It will take you to my drive. So So I want to go back to the OneDrive thing here, and it actually makes your very own classroom. There you go. A. Lucas Go Classroom, Lucas Go Classroom, YouTube with Lucas, and you guys get the idea. Blank quiz. But it actually does have a name. So as you guys can see, it does save all of this. Too bad, but it's true. So I'd recommend you guys make, not topics, but it's actually going here. Yeah, you should make a folder for it. It's my recommendation to keep it organized. And of course, I'll make another video on that. Now, what is people? Now that we talked a bit more about assignments, material, we talked about that. We talked about quiz and assignment and topic. So it's like we mentioned everything. People. Here's where you can add more by adding in somebody's email. So I'm sorry I'm covering this up. And yeah. And the same for students. So guys, thank you all for watching this second video. And I guess I'll see you on the next one. What do I say when I'm done? Well, I'm going to say it again. Peace out.